For this video, I will show you how to create a collection on FB Lite. Go to FB Lite. Now, click on the 3 bar on the upper right corner. Then, select Save. Here you can see all the items that you saved. Now, go to Collections. You can see a Create Collection button. Click on it. Then, add in a collection name. Then, click on Create Collection. Now, go back to your saved items, then refresh your site. If you go back to Collections, you will see your newly created collection. Now, go to your saved items, then click on the 3 dots beside one item, and you can add it to your collection. Click your collection, and it will now be added. If you go to it, you will see that it was now added. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.